I'm Brian Pods, and today I wanted to show you how to operate a hydrant under monitor, or HUM, along with a 90-degree elbow hydrant valve, otherwise known as a swiveling standpipe connection. The HUM is a stationary water distribution manifold that allows you to distribute water from multiple outlets individually or simultaneously. A swiveling standpipe connection is mounted on top of the HUM, and they all work as one integrated unit. The HUM has two main water supply operating valves. The main handle lets water travel from the riser into the large diameter hose connection and the gated Y, while the monitor handle allows water to be distributed from the HUM to the swiveling standpipe connection. The valves are designed to maintain position even when they're gated under pressure conditions, which means you can gate any of these valves partially when needed. And after shutting down the valves, the external drain will kick open to drain any excess water in the system. Remember to always look at the valve handles and labels, and always wear proper PPE while operating the unit. If you have any questions, our support team can be contacted at 219-462-6161, or you're able to visit our website 24/7, 365 at tft.com.